If you're experiencing sync issues on Metrus Energy 2026, follow these quick steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync issues. Step 2. Restart the application. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Update the application. Check for any available updates for the Metrus Energy 2026 app. Keeping the app updated can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Go to your device settings, find the Metrus Energy 2026 app and clear its cache and data. This can help eliminate any corrupted files causing sync problems. Step 5. Relog into your accounts. Log out of your account within the app and then log back in. This can re-establish the connection and sync your data correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any sync issues on Metrus Energy 2026. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.